Hey, this is Bauke from libertytotravel.com. Welcome to my Wave review. Now, Wave is a new software by Venkata, and during this review, we're going to have a look at this software. You can see it on my screen right now. I've gotten a demo access to this new software just before launch, which is taking place today on the 27th of May. So during this review, we're going to have a quick look at this software here in the dashboard. I will also have a look at the sales page. This is the sales page right here. I will have a quick look through the claims being made by Venkata on this sales page. And of course, I've also put together a package of custom and exclusive bonuses that you can get your hands on by purchasing Wave through the link below this video. Click on that link, you'll come to this page on my website where you can find out a little bit more information about Wave, what it is, what it looks like, etc. And also, of course, the pricing and the upsells, which we're going to cover in more detail towards the end of this review, so stay tuned for that. But first, let's have a quick look at my exclusive bonuses. Now, these bonuses will not be available anywhere else but by purchasing Wave only through this page on my website. So click the link in the description below this video to get to this page, and then click any of the green buttons like this one to make your way to the sales page of Wave, and then make your purchase right here through the secure checkout process on the Warrior Plus platform. And you will then find all of my bonuses inside your purchase receipt, which is going to look just like this one right here. So you will get an email from Warrior Plus that sends you directly to this receipt, and then you can click Access Affiliate Bonus right under Access Your Purchase to get access to all of my custom and exclusive bonuses, which you will not be able to find anywhere else because they're all made by me personally from my own knowledge and experience with internet marketing to help you make the most out of Wave. So that being said, let's quickly walk through these one by one to show you what you can find in these bonuses, and then we'll jump into the dashboard of Wave for a demo of the software. Bonus number 1 is going to show you the top 7 ways to drive traffic to your Wave sites. Now with Wave, you're going to create a done-for-you e-commerce store / affiliate store, which is going to look just like this one. So the software is going to do most of the work for you to actually generate the content, get the affiliate links, etc. There is inside the Wave members area a method for sending traffic to your software, but this involves mainly just sending it out to social media. If you don't have any following there yet, or you want to get traffic from other sources, that's where this bonus is going to come in, because in bonus number 1, I'm going to give you the top 7 ways to drive traffic, mostly using free traffic. Also, if you want to use social media but you don't have a following yet, I'm going to give you tips and tricks for increasing your social media following, getting more engagement from your existing followers, and in general just getting more traffic from those sources, as well as a few other free to use traffic sources, and also my favorite paid traffic source for beginners if that is something you're interested in. So basically everything you need when it comes to traffic is included in bonus number 1. Then bonus number 2, if you want to promote different affiliate offers other than the one that Wave software sets up for you, then this one is for you, because in this bonus I'm going to cover how to find the best offers to monetize your sites, how to go and find the highest converting affiliate offers on the internet so that you can get the most money out of the visitors that you drive to your Wave sites. That's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 then is going to show you how you can use Wave to build your email list. Now, if you really want to succeed in online business and become a long-term online businessman, then you need to start building your email list. In bonus number 3, I'm going to give you, first of all, the instructions on how email marketing works, what software you need, how to set it all up, but also I'm going to give you some done-for-you tools to get started with email marketing, like done-for-you landing pages, done-for-you headlines, done-for-you email swipes even, so you can get started even if you have no prior knowledge of internet marketing and email marketing at all. And then finally, bonus number 4 is going to show you 4 different underground hacks to make your Wave sites convert better. So if you want to get higher conversions out of your Wave sites, then this bonus is for you. This is basically going to help you get more out of the same amount of visitors. So if you send 100 people to your Wave site, but no one buys, or maybe one person buys, then you have a very low conversion rate. So what you can do is, instead of just sending more and more people, you can work on improving the conversion rate of your site, and then instead of having just one buyer out of 100 visitors, maybe you can get 5 or 10, and that way you have to put way less effort into sending traffic. You get better conversions, you get higher amount of sales with the same amount of traffic. So that's bonus number 4. Those 4 bonuses, as I said, will be included with your purchase of Wave through the link below this video. So only through that link, through this page, and then through any of these green buttons will you be able to get access to those bonuses, and those will be available, like I said, inside your Warrior Plus purchase receipt. Now let's jump into the software for a quick demo. As you can see, this is the dashboard of the software. This is what the actual site looks like. I showed you this before. So this is the site that the software builds for you. And you can go and customize this completely here in the dashboard. So first of all, you can go and add any pages you want or edit the existing pages right here. You can see here are some example pages like a privacy page, etc. So you can go ahead and check, edit the page right here. And you can edit anything you want about this page. But of course, you're probably mostly interested in how the software creates content for you. And it does that using RSS feeds. So you can simply import RSS feeds from different RSS, like rssground.com. You can just go to rssground.com and then you can just find any content feeds over here. You can simply go and find feeds here, like in the feeds box. And then, I'm not logged in right now, but then you can go and just get a feed of content that it then imports directly in your site. Now in the demo video right here, if you go to this page on my website, there's a demo video right here, right there, and halfway through, I'm just gonna pause this, turn off the sound. You can see exactly how they are importing this feed from RSS Ground. So here you can see this is what it looks like. If you have an account at RSS Ground, it gets this content. So for example, this is affiliate content from ClickBank about diabetes. It just copy paste that URL, goes into your RSS feed, click on import, and that is the URL that you paste right there. So this is right here in the dashboard. Here we go. So you click on import RSS feed, you paste that URL that RSS Ground gives you, and then all the content is automatically added to your store for you. So you can see here that the results of that. This one is not currently filled, but affiliate marketing, for example, this one is an example of an RSS feed about affiliate marketing with different review videos. This one is about fitness. Here's the diabetes one. Here's weight loss. Here's health. So you can see different categories that have been filled. Some of them, they haven't actually added the content yet, but this is, for example, what the diabetes one looks like when you do have the content. So you can see there is different affiliate products from ClickBank, for example, like this one, Diabetes Solution Kit. So you can click and then you get all the details, and this is the sales page of that product on ClickBank, and then people can go and make their purchase of that product directly from your site. And of course, you're going to add your own affiliate link from ClickBank into your into those posts by adding that in RSS Ground. So in the training videos that will be included in the members area, so when you get access to the software, you don't just get the software, you get the members area, which is going to look like this right here. So you can see, let's make this a little bigger. So you can see in the members area, you're going to have the academy, which is where there's going to be training videos showing you step by step exactly how to do that. And also there's the traffic, like I told you before. This allows you to share your store to different social media platforms. You can see a lot of different social media platforms are included right here in the dashboard as well. So that is how the members area is going to look when you have access to Wave. So in addition to the software, which is going to look like this, you're also going to have access to this members area with the academy and exact instructions on how to set up RSS Ground and connect it to your Wave software. Now, in addition to all that, you can also set up different widget polls, galleries with different ads. So basically, if we go back to the site here, this one right here can be an ad. You can see now, right now, there's no ad uploaded, but this can be a banner ad right here that takes up all of this space. And also you have the ability to add different social networks here so people can follow you on social media. And also here you can see the polls that you can add. So you can add different polls, different quizzes, etc. on your site as well to get more engagement from your visitors. So that is just a quick glance at Wave and all the different things it can do to create complete affiliate sites for you. Now let's have a quick look at the Wave sales page. Let's hide this. Yes, the Wave sales page, and then we'll talk about the pricing and the upsells. So tap into the new $800 billion online craze. 3-click software builds you an automated store and drives free buyer traffic to it in 60 seconds. Dozens of newbies are already getting results. Now it's your turn. So you can see that is just, like always, a bit of a hypey headline, of course, to get your attention. But it does create a store for you, and it does really do a lot of the work for you by getting all the content for you, setting it up with affiliate offers with your ClickBank link and more. So you can go and check this all out. check out the rest of the sales page yourself at your own pace in your own time. You can see there's a lot more info about the product and how it works on this sales page. So you can just access this through the link below this video, come to this page, click any of the green buttons and make your way through the sales page yourself. Now let's have a quick look at the funnel then. So this is the funnel here right here. So the front end product, that's everything I showed you in my demo. That is this dashboard, the actual software that creates this site, as well as the members area I showed you right here in the demo video. Here, this members area, that is all going to be included in the front end, which is going to be $17 US at the start of the launch, taking place today on the 27th of May 2021 at 11 a.m. EST. So that is the front end, $17 US. Then we have some upsells. These are optional. You can grab these if you want. And the first one, the unlimited version, allows you to build unlimited stores. So instead of just one, you can create as many stores as you want for $39 US. Then the second upsell is done for you, $197, and they're going to deliver done for you traffic and sales to your site. Then the second one, Automation Edition, $39. You'll be able to get all the automation tools within Wave. I don't know exactly what that means, but I guess you can set up some things to be done automatically using Wave. Then OTO number 4 is the machine version for $197, where they set up a complete custom funnel for you on your hosting with your accounts. They're going to include your autoresponder, squeeze page, follow-up emails. Basically, they set up an entire email marketing funnel for you on your hosting. And then the final upsell, the Done For You store for $197, allows you to get a complete custom store set up for you with Wave. So those are the optional upsells. Like I said, you don't need them. Everything I showed you in the demo is in the front end. And also that's going to come with all of my bonuses if you are interested in those. Make sure you grab Wave through the link below this video, because that is the only way to get access to all of my custom bonuses for this product. So that wraps up my Wave review. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this review.